All right, so I'm going to show you guys today how exactly to grade your assignments that you've submitted to students on Google Classroom. So to do that, you want to go to classwork. You can see all of the classwork that you've submitted or assigned to your students. The first way to check the assignments is you can click view assignment, or you can click the numbers over here and it'll bring you to the assignment page. You can sort it by status, whether it's turned in, first name, last name, whatever it may be. Here you can click into one of the students' assignments. It'll bring you to the grading page. Now, you can use the arrows to toggle through. You can see that one student here started the assignment, but didn't finish it. It's a pixel art activity. Another student, you can see didn't start it and didn't start it. So what you can do is you can then put like a grade on here, like 8 out of 10, and then you can add a private comment like, keep going, you're almost done. Another cool thing is you can click a comment bank and you can add a comment to your comment bank where you can just copy and paste it. Like if you notice that you're saying the same thing to the kids over and over again, you can just add it to your comment bank. This way you don't have to type it over and over again. So this is one way to review student work. Another way to check out student work is if you go to back to your home page. If you go to classwork, you're going to click class drive folder, and that'll bring you to the Google Classroom shared folder that you have that automatically sets up from the Google Classroom class that you created. Each assignment that you give them is going to be a folder. There's a templates folder for the original assignment. You can see here my adding and subtracting pixel art is there, and then you can go into the sample assignment. So here, you're not necessarily grading it when you click into it, you're actually seeing the student's assignment. So this is where you can like glance and see their progress on how they're working on the assignment. So before you grade it, you can just glance at it and see in between the due dates what's going on with the assignment.